Suppose if you add R1 changed as R1 plus R2 plus R3, is there any chance to get it to 1 plus A square minus B square plus 2AB plus 2B square? So there is no chance to get 1 plus A square plus B square. So how shall we proceed? So we'll use that. Let us start with LHS. 1 plus A square minus B square, 2AB minus 2B. This is 2AB, 1 minus A square plus B square, and 2A. This is 2B minus 2A, 1 minus A square minus B square. Now applying R1 changed as R1 plus BR2. If we let us see that if we apply that, whether we get 1 plus A square plus B square or not. If it is so, we can proceed the same. So this result is 1 plus A square. Here it is 1 plus A square minus B square, BR2. Sorry, BR3. If we take BR3, the third row we should multiply with B. So it is already 2B. 2B into B is 2B square. Add it. So we get it as 1 plus A square plus B square. So the right side part we are getting it. So we can proceed with this operation. So 1 plus A square plus B square. And the next one, 2AB minus 2AB. So it is 0. And the third element is minus 2B minus B times of this result. B minus BA square minus B cube. So if we simplify that, this is minus B minus of minus. This is plus. This is also plus. The next one is minus 2B plus B times of 1 minus A square minus B square. It is nothing but minus 2B plus B minus BA square minus B cube. So minus 2B plus B is minus B minus BA square minus B cube. So minus B take common. So this is 1 plus A square plus B square. So here again we can write this as minus B times of 1 plus A square plus B square. I hope so it's clear. And the next one is 2AB 1 minus A square plus B square, and this is 2A. And R3 remains same, 2B minus 2A 1 minus A square minus B square. Then next, the second row we'll try to make it as 1 plus A square plus B square. So here also same, if it is minus B square 2B, we multiply it by B. Now it is minus A square minus 2A, so we should multiply this row by B and add to R2. Then we can make it as this is multiplied by A not B. So we can make it as 1 plus A square plus B square. Now applying R2 changed as R2. This is also minus is given. So R2 minus A times of R3. Let us see that, then you can understand if you proceed further. So this is determinant of, so R1 remains same, 1 plus a square plus b square, or we can apply both. So 0, then minus b into 1 plus a square plus b square, and this is 2ab multiplying by a, so it is 2ab multiplying 2b by a is 2ab, we are subtracting, so this is 0. And the next one is 1 minus a square plus b square minus this 2a multiplied by a, minus 2a square. So minus of minus plus 2a square. So this is 1 plus a square plus b square. So we got this result is 1 plus a square plus b square. And the next one is 2a minus of a times of 1 minus a square minus b square. So this is 2a minus a minus of minus plus a cube plus a b square. 2a minus a is a plus a cube plus a b square. From this a take common. You can do this the right side part. No? So 1 plus a square plus then b square. So this is a times of 1 plus a square plus b square. If you show this part also, it's good. Then R3 remains same. This is 2b minus 2a 1 minus a minus b square, right? So if you observe these two rows, from R1 we can take a common, because 0 into 1 plus a square plus b square we can write it. From R2 also we can take the same value as common. So let us write this as taking 1 plus a square plus b square as common from R1 and R2. If you take R1 and R2 respectively, so what will you get it, ma? So here from the first row we'll get it as
1 0 minus 3.
1 plus a square plus b square. Then it is 1 0 minus b. This is 0 1 a, and this is 2b minus 2a, and 1 minus a square minus b square, right? So multiply this and try to make the 0 the next one, no? So I'll give you the hint to proceed the next one. The next step is applying. We'll try to make it as 0. So C3 change it as C3 plus BC1. So what will you get it? Find it, no? So if you proceed further, then the next step is if you multiply these two, those two are same. So we'll get this result is 1 plus a square plus b square whole square, and then C3 only is going to be changed. C1, C2 remains the same. 1, 0, 2b, 0, 1, minus 2a. And C3 is, here it is minus b, multiply C1 by b. So b1 times of b is b. So we can make it as 0 this one.
0.
That's our intention, right? So the next one is a, 0 into b is 0 only. So a remains the same. And the next one is 1 minus a square minus b square plus 2b into b, 2b square. So it is nothing but 1 minus a square plus b square. So we can write this as 1 minus, sorry, this is 1 minus a square plus b square. Next. So now as we got utmost number of zeros in R1, we can expand it. Now expanding along R1. What we get the result? So the common part remains the same, 1 plus a square plus b square whole square into 1 time of multiply these two. Delete this row and column. So this is the determinant. If you multiply this is 1 into 1 minus a square plus b square minus this is a into minus 2a. So a into minus 2a. So it is 1 plus a square plus b square whole square into 1 into any result we get the same. So this is 1 into the remaining value 1 minus a square plus b square. This is minus into plus minus into minus is plus 2a square, right? So it is 1 plus a square plus b square whole square into this is 1 plus a square plus b square. So we got again 1 plus a square plus b square multiply by 1 plus a square plus b square whole square. It gives 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube, that equal to RHS, right now? Therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's it. Once you
Yes,
try
sir.
yourself while completing the notes. If you have any doubts, we'll discuss in the next class. So do you find any common values in R1, R2, R3?
A, B,
A,
and
B,
Ah,
C.
that's it.
A, B, C,
So
sir.
a square plus 1, AB, AC. The next AB, B square plus 1, BC, CA, CB, C square plus 1. So as you said, we can take common from R1. So A, B, C from R1, R2 and R3. So taking common in ABC common from R1, R2 and R3 respectively. So we'll get this result is take A, B, C common. Then it is
A plus 1.
A plus 1 by A, right? And the next one is B. Next one is C. And the next row. From the second row, B has taken common. So this is A. This is B plus 1 by B. This is C. From the third row, C has taken common. So this is A. This is B. This is C plus 1 by C. Next. Right. As you said, then applying R1 changed as R1 minus R3. Then we can make it as zeros. One element also we can make it as 0, and other one we can simplify it. So this is ABC. Next, if we subtract this, A plus 1 by A minus A. So these two gets cancelled. So 1 by A.
1 by A.
Next, B minus B is 0.
0.
Here C minus C plus 1 by C means C minus 1 by C.
1 by C.
So this is 1 by C minus 1 by C. Next, the remaining rows remains the same. A, B plus 1 by B, C. And this is A, B, C plus 1 by C. Right? And the next one. Again, to make the other values B plus 1 by C, 1 by B, we are going to simplify it. So applying R2 changed as R2 minus R3. Then we get this result as ABC times of 1 by A, 0 minus 1 by C. The next one, A minus A is 0, B minus B gets cancelled, so it is 1 by B. C minus C gets cancelled, so this is minus 1 by C. And R3 remains same, A, B, C plus 1 by C. Now can we take any values common from this?
One by
Did you get any idea, ma?
1 by C.
It seems to be like that. So we'll do one thing. To make this simplest form, 1 by A. If you multiply by A, it becomes 1, right? So here if you
Yes, sir.
multiply by B, it becomes 1. So we can make it as still in simplest form. So let us multiply C1 by A, C2 by B. So multiplying C1 A, B, C to C1, C2, C3 respectively. Then we get this result as ABC times of 1 by A into A. This is A, 0 into A is 0, A into A is A square. Next, what's the next one now? 0, we are multiplying by B. So this is 1, this is B square. This is minus 1, multiplying by C. So C square plus 1, if you multiply it. C plus 1 by C into C, this is C into C, C square plus 1 by C into C. C gets cancelled 1. Like that we got these results. But in determinants, when we multiply by some value, the same value we should divide also. Or else it is k times of the original determinant value as per that property. So we multiply by A by C, so we should divide by A by C also. We should not forget it. Then the original value of the determinant remains the same. Do you
Sir,
understand it?
R1 first element is equal to 1, no, sir.
Which one, ma?
R1 first element.
R1 first element. Yes, ma, yes. Thank you. Then these two gets cancelled. Next. Still, if it is possible to make it as zeros, we'll try to make it as zeros. So if you see this one, we can make it as 0, right? So applying R1 changed as R1 minus R2. But if we change this one, we will get it as here it is 1. So there is no use. Apply C3. C3 changed as C2 minus C3 minus C2. Then we get this result is determinant of 1, 0, A square. This is 0, 1, B square. C3 is going to be changed. So minus 1, 0, minus 0 is minus 1. Minus 1. So we should add. If we subtract, no use. If we add this, we can get it as 0. So minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. And then C square plus 1 plus B square. So 1 plus B square plus C square. Now expand this. So utmost number of zeros we got it in second row, right? So expanding along R2. Then we can write it as minus 0 times of the determinant is 0 only. Or if you want, you can write it So delete this row and column. So what we get it? 0 minus 1 b square 1 plus b square plus c square. Next plus 1 time of delete this row and column. So this is 1 minus 1 a square 1 plus b square plus c square minus 0 times of delete this row and column. So this is 1 0 a square and b square. So we'll get this result is this is 0 plus 1 time of multiply this 1 plus b square plus c square minus of 1 into minus 1 into a square minus this is 0. So that the result is 0 plus 1 plus b square plus c square minus of minus plus a square. So that the answer is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Isn't it? That equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS and support.
Sir,
Tell me.
for some questions we can't get the utmost number of zeros, sir.
We will try to get it at most number of zeros. No? If it is not possible, at most number of zeros in the sense either we cannot get 0, either we can get 1 0 or we can get 2 zeros. So if it is not possible to get 2 zeros, you can proceed with 1 0 if you get it. Clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
The meaning of utmost number of zeros in the sense, utmost number of zeros, if it is 3 by 3, you can get till 0, 2 zeros. If it is not possible, if you get 1 0 also, you can expand it, that's it.